My aunt and uncle's wedding. This is my aunt and uncle. My aunt's name is Beba. My uncle's name is Juan. My aunt is from Guatemala. My uncle is from El Salvador. They met in the United States. Juan proposed to Beba. He asked her to marry him. She said yes. After Juan proposed, my whole family came to visit in Atlanta. All my cousins, aunts, and uncles were there. This is my Uncle Juan with his brother, my Uncle Carlos. This, going from left to right, is Uncle Juan in the white shirt, Aunt Delia in the gold shirt, my dad, my mom, and Uncle Carlos. One night after dinner, Uncle Juan said that he and Beba had not planned their wedding yet. They wanted a small wedding. They did not want a big wedding. They wanted a small wedding with only their family there. This is a picture of a big wedding. Our whole family was at our house to visit. My mom said they could get married in our backyard. My dad said they could even get married tomorrow. That is what they decided to do. They planned to get married at our house the next day. The next morning, we went to the mall to buy everything we needed for the wedding. My cousins and I were the bridesmaids. We tried on lots of matching dresses. Usually, brides in America wear a white wedding dress. Aunt Beba decided to wear a black dress instead. Uncle Juan wore a gold tie. At night, we got ready for the wedding. So, in this picture we have, on the left, my brother James. Next to him is my cousin Ariana. She is blonde and taller. Next to Ariana is Beba. Next to Beba is Juan. And next to Juan is my cousin Alex. In front of them, we have my small cousins, Kana and Jake, and then me. My cousin Jake was the ring bearer. He carried the wedding rings. Here he is with his sister, Kana. My Aunt Daphne was ordained online. Ordained means she could marry Uncle Juan and Aunt Beba, just like a priest. Here is Aunt Daphne with my cousin Jake. We went to my backyard. We held candles. Here are the bridesmaids: Aunt Delia, Cana, me, and Ariana. My mom took the pictures. Here are the groomsmen: Alex, Uncle Carlos, James, Jake, and my dad. Here is the bride and the groom. The bride and the groom are the ones getting married. Everyone took their places. The ceremony began. Beba and Juan said their vows. They promised to always love each other. They said their vows in English and in Spanish. They kissed. They were officially married. We went inside to celebrate. The adults drank champagne. The kids drank apple juice. A few years later, Aunt Beba and Uncle Juan came to visit again. This time, they came with their new baby, my cousin Lucas. The end.